Hello and welcome to How to Draw Stuff. Today we are going to show you this tutorial on how to draw a panther head in a black ink tattoo style. By practicing how to draw in this style, you can inspire your creativity and come up with your own ideas. This panther head is pointing downward with a fierce growl. I'll start with the outline of the top of the head. Here we bring the head down into the snout. The nose is a key feature which helps us to place the other facial features. As you can see, the whiskers come out of the sides and are nice and bold. This brow helps to give the panther its snarling expression, so it needs to point downwards. We draw the eye underneath. We continue to draw the rest of the head shape and bring it down to connect the jaw. In our illustration, there are droplets of blood coming out of the mouth to make it look fierce. The jaw then comes round and we can finish the open mouth. The panther's teeth are one of the most important features, so they need to be nice and big. Here we have another mark to make it look as if there is blood around the mouth. Here we finish the snout, making sure to leave space for the whiskers. These lines here are used to show the ear on the side of the head. Because this is a Blackwork style tattoo, we need to leave white space to see the shape of the ear. We use more white spaces to create detail in the head. Now we finish the blackwork by coloring with black pen. We start this by going over the pencil lines with a black marker. Be careful not to go over the lines because we need the white spaces to remain. These lines are final and we can't rub them out the way we do with pencil. Here we get to use the black pen to fill in the detail of the eye. The mouth is also very important as we want to keep those big white teeth looking sharp. We're going to fill in the black spaces with the brush pen, perfect for the style we want to create. Be very careful to color close to the lines. This is why it's so important to go over them with the pen first, rather than rely on the pencil guidelines. Once we get to the face, we need to be very careful and remember which spaces need to remain white, such as the sides of the snout, teeth, etc. The white brow can be tricky as it's thin, but it's vital to keep it so we can get our fierce expression. This part is too intricate for the brush pen, so we go back to the fine pen to get in between the lines. The fine pen is also great for detailing on the nose and snout. We can use the brush pen again here, but we need to be very careful. We are almost finished, but we need to let the ink dry and then erase some of the visible pencil guidelines. I'm also using the finer eraser to get into the detail of the mouth and other parts. And there we have the finished drawing. We are leaving it in black and white, but you can color in the red blood or the nose or other details if you wish. Thank you for watching this panther head tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like. Subscribe for more to come and don't forget to leave your suggestions for new illustration ideas in the comments. We'll see you next time.